Hello everyone! Want to showcase your Google reviews directly on your website? This video is for you. Let's have a look at how you can embed Google reviews on your WordPress website with Embed. Before getting started, make sure you have both Embed and Embed Pro installed and activated on your WordPress site. From your WordPress dashboard, navigate to Embed in the left sidebar and select Google Reviews. Click the Connect to Embed API button to authenticate and adjust your cache preferences if needed. In the Add a Place section, search for your business name or location, then click Add next to your listing. Now, open the page or post where you want to display your reviews in the WordPress block editor. Click the plus icon and search for Embed Google Reviews. Select your saved business location from the list. From the Layout and Display section, you can choose your preferred list, grid, or other layouts. Use the right-hand panel to customize your feed. Under Reviews and Filtering, you can set minimum ratings, keyword filters, hide or show empty text reviews, and choose your preferred sort order. Explore review elements to control how each element on your review will show on the visitor's end. You can toggle photos, dates, review ratings, column counts, and images. From the size and spacing, you can adjust the spacing, column gaps, and max width. Under Colors and Theme, customize the theme and accent colors to match your brand design. Here, you also have the control to showcase the review in dark or light theme. Configure SEO-rich snippets and source settings by toggling the Output Review schema. Once you're happy with the layout, click Update or Publish to make it live. Let's have a preview. Preview your website to see your interactive Google reviews displayed seamlessly. Was this video helpful? Do not forget to like the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and let us know in the comments which feature you want to see next in Embed.